case. What we are going to look at is, let's start from the very beginning, a very simple case, that we are going to as plan a new station, new business, right? So let's say you want to plan to open a juice station. What kind of decisions you are going to take? So what is the decisions, that what are the things that you want to know before you open a juice station in any country, right? In any location, right? You may want to know why you want to open it. What is the objective? How many customers? What, is there any demand from the customers? Do the people want it? So normally businesses do market study, right? The pre-market study, that so that you can understand if there is a need for this kind of business or not. Why do we want to open this business? Is there any requirement? Is there any problem that people are facing that you want to provide a solution for? Then you may also want to know where to open it. You want to open in a mall, you want to open in an open society, you want to open in a market. Where you want to take this business on. So this is another intelligence that you may want to understand. You may want to understand how big it should be. Am I gonna open a very small one counter with one machine only, or I should open a 10 machine counter with a lot of peoples, and like a cafe? It can be a size of, the any Chinese restaurant, which is a huge size, or it's gonna be a very small size like Harry Bar. How big is it? It should be. How many peoples I should hire? Then you may want to know what price you would be charging, right? When you are just opening a juice station, what would be the price of my juice? So what kind of information you will look at? Then, so these are the minimum decisions that you want to take. Is there any other decision that you want to, is there any other information that you would like to know before you open a new business? Anybody want to contribute? What else you want to know? If you, let's say you are opening a new business, you might have learned, right?
Learn about the competitors and what they're selling and how they're gaining the resources.
That's right. So you want to know who are my competitors, what are their prices, what are they, how they market to the business, and how many customers they are already getting, right? So you want to know the market size. What else?
And it's important to know about the supply chain things, raw material, how you going to purchase, and
That's right.
what are the prices of raw materials.
So you want to know where you are going to get the raw material for the juice. Are you going to import the products, or you will be able to get in the country? What is the quality, right? So you may want to know about
Yes.
these things as well. So these are the ideas which we want to generate while we are planning a business. So where are you, these are the decisions that you want to take, because you want to know where to, why you want to open it, how much price you want to charge, how big it should be. These are the decisions. But to take these decisions, you want to have a data. For example, where how big it should be. So for making this decision, you need to understand the market size. You need to understand how many competitors are there. You need to think about how many people will be able to will are looking for buying a juice. So what is all this? This is all called intelligence. You need this data in order to make a decision, right? So this all decisions, this all information, the piece of business, the piece of information that we are discussing is called business intelligence. Now, business intelligence, when you are saying that there is a normal understanding that business intelligence also means that we're gonna analyze the data that about the business. But this is not only about our business only, right? When you are taking a business intelligence start from way before you are able to generate any data about your own business. It also about the market. So you have read about pastel, right? Political environment, political scenarios, economic activities, or technology, or anything else. So this is all part of business intelligence, even though this is unstructured, which we are going to learn in the coming slides. Then once you have opened the juice station, you may want to understand Am I making a profit? So here the normal understanding of business intelligence comes in, where you are analyzing your own data to understand how I'm doing against my competitors, how much business I'm getting, is there any other opportunity to grow, am I charging a right price, am I able to maximize my machine utilization, my plant utilization, my supply chain, is there any way that I can increase my profitability, right? And then there are other operational strategies. What about my customers? What is my customer feedback? What are the promotions, the marketing, the plans that I'm using? Are they working or not? So this is all called business intelligence in order to run your business successfully. So you can take this into any kind of activity, even if let's say a government is running a food subsidy program. They would like to know how much business, how much subsidy they want to give, how many peoples it will cover, is it able to successful, how far we are from our target, are we making any money, is it making any any impact to the peoples where we are giving this subsidy to. So these are all information, these are all the samples, or you can call it examples of where we use the business intelligence, how we use the business intelligence, and why is it important. Is it clear so far? Any questions?